Hey everyone, in this video we are gonna cover bottom navbar widget in Flutter. Let's get started. Here I have a stateful widget and inside the build method I am using a scaffold. First I'll give the scaffold a light blue background color. Now the scaffold has a bottom navigation bar property. Here you can define your page tabs. I'll pass here bottom navigation bar. It takes a list of bottom navigation bar item objects. Inside this list, I'll add a bottom navigation bar item. Each item requires an icon, so I'll pass an icon widget here. It also has a label property where I'll pass the name of the tab. Now I'll copy this item and paste it for other tabs as well with different icons and labels. The bottom navigation bar also has a type property. This controls how the items are displayed. I'll set it to bottom navigation bar type.fixed, which means all the tabs will be shown with equal widths. Once I save, you can see the bottom navigation bar on the screen. If I tap on any icon, nothing will change. To make it dynamic, I'll go outside the build method. Here I'll create an integer variable with the name selectedIndex and set its initial value to 0. To perform some actions, bottom navigation bar has an onTap property. Inside it, I'll use setState and update the selected index with the tabbed index. Basically, when the app loads for the first time, the first tab is selected. When the user taps on any other tab, its index will be stored in selected index. To reflect the changes in UI, I'll use the current index property and pass the selected index here. If I save it and press on any tab, you can see the selected tab is changing correctly. Next, I want if I press on any tab, it should change the content regarding that screen. For that, here I'll create a list of widgets with the name pages. Inside this list, I'll add some text that wrapped with center widget. Then in the body of scaffold, I'll display this page list with selected index. If I save and press on any tab, you can see now the content is changing based on the selected tab. Right now I am using just text widgets, but you can replace them with your actual pages. To style the bottom navigation bar, there are a few useful properties. To change the background color, it has a background color property. I'll set it to dark gray color. Then there is selected item color, which defines the color of selected tab. Here I'll pass orange color. After saving, you can see the selected tab is now orange and the background color is dark. There is also unselected item color. Here I'll pass a shade of gray. And that's how you can create a simple bottom navigation bar in Flutter. You can find the source code link in description.